Today we're going to smoke a chicken on the Masterbuilt Electric Smoker. So what's great about this chicken, guys, is you don't have to brine it. We're going to inject it with a homemade injection, which is super easy. I'll show you how to do that. Then we're going to smoke it in the Masterbuilt. Then we're going to finish it off with this great barbecue sauce. It is going to be absolutely awesome, so stay with me. So we're gonna make this chicken, right? And I didn't brine it last night, so we're going to inject it. And I'm gonna make this homemade injection. So I have a half a stick of butter in here, and it's melting in this pan. I've got a quarter cup of chicken broth. We're gonna pour that in there. By the way, these ingredients will be at the bottom of the description box, like always, because you know I'm not always the best at remembering exact amounts, but I'm gonna try. And then in here is a teaspoon and a half of brown sugar and a teaspoon and a half of this Old Bay garlic and herb. If you don't have this garlic and herb by Old Bay, you don't have to have it. Just use like salt and pepper and garlic, or you know, whatever you want, but it's really delicious. Alright, get all this goodness in here. So that in there, get all in here. By the way, we're gonna cook this chicken in the Masterbuilt. Jeff doesn't let me cook in it very often, so I'm kind of excited. So, alright, so we're gonna get this going. So, I want to make sure that I get this good and simmered, right? Because I'm gonna be injecting it into the chicken, and we want to make sure that the sugar and the Old Bay actually simmers down, so it will go through my injector, because I don't want it to clog it up. That would be a problem. So, give me about 4 or 5 minutes, and it will be simmered down, and I can get it injected, and we'll be good to go. I'll see you in a bit. I'm going to take care of this chicken butt thing. By the way, I didn't cut this chicken in half. Jeff did. It's just too hard for me. I'm not into cutting chickens in half. That whole bone cracking thing, it's not my gig. Alright, so Phil and Florence and his wife Janice, I guess they talked about chicken butts, and Jeff said this whole big thing about the chicken butt, and we got to get rid of this chicken butt, so I'm going to get rid of the chicken butt. And if you don't know about Phil and Florence, we're going to put a link to his channel, so y'all can go there and check out his channel as well, right? Okay, chicken butt has been removed. It is now gone. And we're gonna get this guy injected. Alright, so we're gonna get this guy injected, so let's get some. There we go. Alright. Going to go ahead and get this guy plumped up. I want to make sure I get it all the way down in 2. Oh yeah, that's good. When you see it plump up and kind of come back up, that's how I know that it's in there. So this wing. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to inject these guys. Every inch or so, get them all nice and plumped up. And then I'll get back to you, and we're going to go ahead and season them at that point. So these guys have been injected. They're like oozing with all the flavor. So now we're just going to go ahead and get these guys seasoned up on the outside, and we're going to use this Runnin Wild Poultry seasoning. If y'all don't want to use this, that's okay. You don't have to. You can use what you like. If you want to use salt and pepper, if you want to use paprika, if you want to use that McCormick's chicken stuff, whatever. It's what you like. This is one of our favorites. That's why I'm using it today. I'm going to work my way to the other side, then we're going to put it on the Masterbuilt. So we're using these Applewood chips today to smoke this chicken. We've already put them in, so it's going to be very delicious. This is set at 275. We're going to put a few more in about 40 minutes after it's been cooking for a while. I'm going to put this chicken in the smoker. Remember that when you're putting your chicken in your smoker, you want to put it underneath anything else you have cooking. Jeff already has some onion rings up here, so we don't want the chicken on top of them. Let's get this door shut. I need it locked up. It's been an hour and 40 minutes. This chicken looks phenomenal, right? We're going to go ahead and pull these guys out a little bit. Let's take this thing out. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get these guys glazed up, right? So we're gonna use this, you know, I feel bad saying this, but it's called Fat Bastard Chick Dip, right? It's delicious. It's got honey in it, and it's got paprika and some other stuff in it. But it's super delicious, and we're gonna use it, okay? So, I got it over here. This is pretty cool, right? This is Jeff's. It's not mine, but it's got like a little spoon thing in it, so you can get the sauce in it when you go to like put it on there. I like it. Makes things a lot easier when you're going to like try to put sauce on. So we're gonna get these guys all glazed up, and I gotta get under his wing. So once I get these guys all glazed up, we're gonna put these guys back in for about, I don't know, 30-40 minutes. Oh. So it's been about 20 minutes. We're gonna flip these guys over, and we're gonna glaze the other side, right? Whew, that's a lot of smoke. Let's get those guys. There we go. All right. Pull these guys out. Oh, look how beautiful they are. They look so gorgeous. Okay. All right. Alrighty. Yummy. All right. All right, so these guys just probed about 161. So we have about like 4 or 5 degrees more to go. And they will be just perfect and good to go. All right. All right, we're gonna let these guys go. About another maybe, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. And then the best part comes. We're gonna do the taste test. So it's been about 2 hours, 20 minutes. The chicken is testing at 165 degrees. We are going to take this chicken out, and if Sadie will move on out, Sadie. We're gonna take the chicken out, and we're gonna let it rest a little while, and then we're gonna do our oh, it's juicy. We're gonna do our taste test. Wow, it is super juicy. I'm so super excited. It looks really good.
Well, are we going to taste it or just pretend like it?
Well, I think it just needs a little bit of garnish. And then...
Or maybe a lot of garnish.
Yeah. Now you can cut it.
Oh, I have to cut it?
Yeah. It looks pretty now. And pretty's important, by the way.
Okay. I hear people want to see it cut, so I need to turn it this way. And
Yeah.
Look at the juice on the top of it.
I know, it was so juicy. Wow.
Okay. Here's what she looks like inside.
Yum, yum, yum.
Good and hot. Am I cutting this for you, I guess? Ladies first. There you go.
Thank you.
I know you like the thigh.
I do.
This is the breast.
Yeah, we'll have to try both. So.
Okay. Look at that. I don't know. Can you guys see that? The skin,
it's super juicy.
Perfect. Beautiful color. Look how hot it is.
Yeah.
Juicy. I don't know if you can see that or not in the video, but it's got juice everywhere. Okay.
Cheers. Oh my god. Wow. Mmm. So he's a breast guy, so that's like his thing? Wow. You really like that, right?
It's
That's
delicious.
like totally your thing.
You want a piece? Come on. Oh, I dropped it. Go ahead.
That is delicious.
Okay. Now, what do you want a piece of? This
The thigh.
Okay.
Wow, that was so good. That is so delicious.
It's juicy. You did a good job. But I think it's the injecting.
Yeah, it's injecting it. Yeah.
There, you get your fork.
Thank
Get you
you.
a piece there.
Injecting it in like, well, and also like the seasoning stuff. It's really good. So.
Look at that. I hope you guys can
hot.
see that. It is just, there's just juice all over it.
Wow.
Okay. Super hot.
Mm.
Give this thigh a taste.
Wow. Yum.
You did excellent, dear.
Thank you. Yum.
Okay, they're probably tired of us eating.
It's delicious. So yeah, you should try this one. It's super good. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe and click on the bell.